Good night, guys. Marty's the Gathering Place here. How you guys doing? Tonight's box opening will be sponsored by Distribution Leo. Please go see his eBay store and Facebook group for all his Magic the Gathering product. You have packs, boxes, singles, all in there. And this opening will also be on there once loaded. So, without any further ado, so tonight we're gonna open a Modern Horizon 2. Oh my god. I think this is one of the best sets that came out in the last year. What you can pull is that there's so much value. Within all the elementals, the fetches, some rares that are keeping good value. Some reprints foil that you can get from the first Modern Horizon is just well all around set that they did. I have nothing bad to say about this set. Sorry about that. Hopefully, with my Double Masters 2022 just around the corner in about 2 weeks, hopefully this is gonna be a product that is similar. We're really looking forward to that. So far, some spoilers out there. We've seen a lot of reprints that are valuable cards right now that will tank the other cards right now prices, or they will stabilize for new players starting the game that would like to purchase these cards. So without babbling forever, let's open this. There we go. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my god. We've seen this set opening all for a while now. So, there we go. First pack, Bregan Range Chandler. It's gotta be a good box. Chatterfang, right at the start. Squirrel token. Squirrel! Chef's Kiss. So, Legendary Confinement and Astro, I can't say your name. Our first foil. I was saying this set, like, wow, like. It's been a long time since a set like that. Silver's Anthem, very good. That keeps its value. Prices are not that expensive for their boxes. Stirring Grove, Anchor Cruelly, really nice hit. And personal opinion on this, I feel it's a set that really gives back to the players. For players that weren't able to purchase those enemy fetch lands, Rise and Shine, foil. Basically, if if you're just new to the game and you're playing different types, modern, or even Commander, or even Legacy or Vintage, if you don't have those fetch lands, Profane Tutor, this set is really a good set for that. There is a lot of powerhouse cards, like that I'm still surprised at this time are still worth value. Oh, Yamaya Cradle Growth, just talking like that. That's one card that's still about $30 Canadian. Oh, Patriarch's Bidding and Timeless Dragon. Soul Talisman. No fetches so far. Karmic Guy. Generic Ferris Awakening. And a foil Urza Saga. Oh my god. That's probably like $100 right there. That's what I'm saying with value. Like, it's crazy. Priest of the Fell Rights. Cauldron's Complete. Wow. That's a big hit. $12 hit on it. Something like that. Normal Harak. Oh my god. I think that's like a $15 card right there. Imperial Recruiter. About $10 hit. Glimpse of Tomorrow. Out of Time. Still no fetches. Wow. Right. About halfway in the box, no fetches. Top Monitor. Oh, Wonder. Dress Down. Wow. Academy manufacturer, about $10 hit right there. Foil. Reptile Library. Guard the Lion token. But about midway in the box and still no fetch. Wow. I think I hyped it too much. Search the premises. Obsidian Charma. Wow. The pictures all the same in the last pile. Here we go. Misty Rainforest. Wow. And one of the good ones also. Squirmon and a regular Urza Saga. Nice, nice. Not a lot of pitches, we're pulling good cards. Last road box. Oh. Daikon Shadow Slayer. Squirrel token. Suspend. Full turn. Oh, Dragon Raid Chandler again. Goblin Bombardment is the best Glibber Wasp. And a foil Tolerian Companion. Holy crap. 3 rares in 1 pack. I think the box is redeeming itself. Brave the Princess. Squirrel. There. Pack open funky. This miserable disc. Version Command. Gadron Dihada. Come on, we need some juice. Dottie Void Raker. Foil. 5 packs left. Good box. You little kiss. Up and fail. Harmonic Prodigy. 3 packs left. Thanks, advisor, and back. There, 2 packs left. Search the premises. Foil. Rearrange this pile here. And last back. Come on. Give me something. Vindicate. And like Rudy would say, damn. So yeah, that's it, guys. Here, I'll do something special. That's my sign, Magic Diamond Ring. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe and share the video. Also, like I was saying in the start of the video, all these cards you see we open is gonna go on Distribution Leo's eBay store and a Facebook group. So don't hesitate to go see it. Would be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Bye.